Hi there! In this video I will show you how to run and configure the Save Transaction service. So, if you want to deploy such a service for a custom blockchain, this video will definitely be useful. Okay, what is this service for? This is a service that allows you conveniently interact with multisig wallets on the blockchain. But what are multisig wallets? A multisig account is a specific type of smart account that requires multiple sign-in accounts to approve transactions. When creating such an account, we must specify a list of owners as well as a confirmation threshold for transactions. For example, we have a business account with 5 owners and a confirmation threshold of 3. Thus, until 3 out of 5 people confirm the transaction, it will not be executed. So if some hackers hacks one of the owners, he will not be able to withdraw funds from the wallet. The most popular multisig wallets are from Save, but there is a small problem here. As you can see, at this moment the service is deployed only for a few blockchains. So if you want to work with multisig wallets on a custom blockchain, you will have to deploy your own service. Okay, let's get started with the installation. I will install a service for working with the Avalanche Fuji C-Chain test blockchain on the Ubuntu operating system. Let's go to Save Infrastructure Installation Guide page. Here we see that the service requires at least, in summary, 48 GB of RAM and 12 vCPU. But don't despair, my work computer has 32 GB of RAM and processor with 6 cores, and that's enough for testing. Okay, what are the other requirements? We must install Docker, Docker Compose, and Git. To install Docker, Docker Compose, and Git, you will need to go through these 3 guides. A guide about how to install and use Docker on Ubuntu, a guide how to install and use Docker Compose on Ubuntu, and how to install Git on Ubuntu. I will attach these 3 links to the video. Of course, I have these utilities already installed, and to test, I can run the following commands. I just need to run my terminal. Okay, let's type docker version. As you can see, the Docker is installed. Now type Docker Compose. Docker Compose already installed 2. And the last one, Git version, Git installed 2. Okay, let's move on. First of all, you will need to clone Save Infrastructure project to your local machine. For this, go to this page, copy URL, then go to some folder in your local machine and open the terminal and type git clone, paste, and press enter. Okay, now go to this folder and then we must go to guide to run our services locally. Open up this page and then we must go through these steps, step 1, step 2, etc. Copy this command, go to our folder, open the terminal and paste the command, enter. Now we create a .env file with our options. Now we must edit this file and edit RPC not URL option. To get the corresponding value, we must go to chainlist.org. Now we must find Avalanche Fuji Testnet and copy the RPC value. Well, let's use this copy. Then you can use your own text editor, but I will use a Vim. Now I want to just fill up this value and save and exit. Good. Now we must do the next step. Let's copy this command, go here and run sh, run locally.sh. Oh, looks like our installation is running up. This can take a while. Okay, now we must create an administrator. Here we can just press enter, and now we must type email address. It can be any. Password. Again. Okay, now we must create another administrator. Just press enter, and again type some mail and some password. Okay, installation is over, and now we must configure our services. Go back to browser and go to this page. Log in, and now we need to fill out this form. To do this, go to chain list and find Avalanche Fuji Testnet. Copy chain ID. Now, chain name. Now, to correctly fill in this value, go to the page. And search by 43113. Copy this value and paste. L2 must be true. Then we must fill up RPC. Again, go to chain list and copy this value. No authentication. To fill up these fields, we must back to our guide and open up this page. Then go here. Here we see a configuration on battle service. Let's a little bit beautify this and search for 3113. Oh, sorry, 114. This and battle options. Copy this. Paste here, but here we must insert the test value. What is the test for SnodeRace.io? This testnet SnodeRace.io. Copy this. Sorry. And replace it. Then go to next. Paste here. And replace SnodeRace.io to testnet SnodeRace.io. Then copy API. Oh, sorry. This here, and this here. Again, copy testnet. Oh. Stop. Okay. Now, currency name. You can just copy these values. Okay, now we must insert currency logo URL. We must go here, open this link, save it to our computer, and choose this file. Good. Now we must fill up these two fields. To do this, we must go to our guide page. Copy this and just insert. Okay, master copy. And that's all. Click to save. Good, we just add our Avalanche Fuji C-Chain to our config service. Now we must add our webhooks. Go to guide page, copy this page link, log in, then click add link for webhooks, and copy this value, paste it, and change chain ID to our chain 43113. Then we must add authorization field. Authorization field value must be same as the webhook token in the container env file cgv.env. So go to our project and copy this value. Authorization, basic, space and value. Sorry. Oh. Basic and paste. Sorry. Paste. Okay. Click to save. Next, we need to add the addresses of the safe smart contracts deployed on the Avalanche Fuji C-Chain. To do this, go to page and add this link to my video. Then find Avalanche. Then copy and paste from safe master copy list. Go here. Click add safe master copy. Paste address. TX block number. To get this value, we must go to Testnet snowtrace.io and just copy the last value. Version. Copy this. L2 is true in this case. Click to save and then add the next. Address, oh sorry. TX blocks number, then address, version is 1.3.0, paste. L2 is false. Good. Now we must index these values and go. Okay, next copy proxy factory's address and paste save proxy factory page. Search proxy, add, then find the next part. Sorry. Copy this. Oh. Just copy this one and save. And everything is ready. We can just test it by open this page. Choose the Avalanche and then we must connect our wallet. Let's do this. Connect. MetaMask. Okay, looks like I have connected. Now try to add some wallet. Test. Next. Next. And next. Confirm. And wait. Okay, safe is ready. Congratulations, you have just launched a safe infrastructure service. Happy hacking!